just want to say thank you to my co-worker, Corry. He showed me secret of how to cook the chorizo. And to my mother, I just want to say thank you for showing me the salsa also. And so we could all learn together. If you haven't seen my videos on Travel Channel, please take the time to watch it. I know you're going to like it. And please show it to your friends. Because if you're in Riverside County, you see what's going on around here. You can learn more about these places. And most of all the places I've been to, it's mostly free or has a little fee on it, but it's very doable. And it's something that you're going to like and some things you're going to enjoy. Let's get started with the chorizo. And we're going to have fun doing it. We're going to talk about the ingredients: onions, tomatoes, eggs, potatoes, green chili, milk, lemon, tortilla wrap, chorizo, and all the added flavors. We're going to take this chili. We're going to cut this in 4 pieces. Our main goal is to take out the seeds because you don't want it to be too spicy. And this green chili, we're going to make into a salsa. You will see what I'm talking about later on. Once you cut it up, it's going to look like this. We're going to make salsa. First thing we're going to put the green jalapeno, tomatoes, onions, minced garlic, but if you have fresh one, use fresh. So today we're going to be using minced garlic, some lemon sauce, a little pepper, a little sugar for a taste. Then we're going to grind it up, but not too much because you don't want to make it too saucy. Once you are done mixing all the ingredients, this is how your salsa is going to look like. Ain't that delicious? Now we're done with the salsa. We're going to be cooking the chorizo. It's full of flavor, I'll tell you right now. Before we get started with the chorizo, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut out the skin of the potatoes. Take your time because you don't want to cut yourself. Try to be safety. Now we took out the skin. We're going to cut this potato into small little pieces. This is going to add flavor to your chorizo. But don't worry, at the end I will show you how it looks like once I'm done with this. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to mix up the eggs and the milk together. You can use any milk you want, but today we're going to be using almond milk. into cooking good food. Me personally, of all my experience of cooking, I believe that you gotta give it love. Not just cooking, in everything that you do, that's how you become successful in whatever your goal is in life. We're gonna get started. We're gonna start cooking this chorizo, the meat of it. Now the pan is hot. You put in the olive oil. Now we're gonna put in the minced garlic, just like that. It all depends how much you want to put in there. To me, I like it a lot to add new flavor on it. Now we're gonna put in the potatoes. We're gonna stir this thing until it's lightly brown, but you don't want to cook it all the way, because once you put the chorizo, that's how you mix all the flavors. But you have to be consistent when you stir like this. You have to be continuously doing this, or it's not gonna look right. And once you're done, it's gonna be really delicious. It's gonna be proud once you serve this to your family. Now that our potato is golden brown, we're ready to put in the chorizo. There's two types of chorizo. There's the beef flavor and there's a pork flavor. But I highly recommend the pork flavor. We could cut the edge so we could put it in the pan, just like that. Let it spread out. I just wish you are here to smell this. It smells really, really good. Make sure nothing's left because we don't want to waste any food. And then we'll keep stirring that thing. There you go. This is gonna be so delicious once we're done. Keep turning it, keep turning it. That way all the flavor gets mixed up. All that potatoes, the chorizo, all that seasoning blends together, you know? The secret to chorizo is to be consistent on your stirring. We shouldn't want it to be overcooked on one side and the other side's not too cooked. You don't want that. As soon as it gets cooked, chorizo itself is gonna be soft. It's gonna turn into like a ground, you know. You see the flavor now is mixing with the potatoes. This is the moment you've been waiting for. We're gonna put in the egg and milk mixed together. We're gonna stir it up. It's gonna make it really look nice. We're gonna do this. Mix it up. Just like that. Just keep stirring, don't stop. There you go. Once this is done, you're gonna be so proud of yourself. And you're gonna keep cooking this every weekend. And you're gonna invite me. Just kidding. Now that it's cooked, I'm ready to show this to you, so you'll see all the masterpiece of how I created the chorizo. Finally, we're gonna cook the tortilla wrap. First thing we put in is the butter. It's gonna be cooked no more than 3 minutes, enough to make it look tasty. It's gonna cook it up a little bit. Now we're gonna put the tortilla wrap. Lay it on there. We're gonna do this on both sides. It's gonna be no more than 3 minutes. So it's gonna be a little brown from the outside. Just like that. Hold it down. Then we're gonna turn it to the other side. So both of them will be cooked. Here's the masterpiece of the chorizo. You have your salsa right there, and it's a little spicy, which is a good thing, and it's gonna be really, really good. Thank you, and please subscribe.